I'm live, okay? Because I see your videos going all over the internet. I have to say something, all right? All right, baby. And I'm sorry about that, okay, my love? Huh? You good? I know you didn't know, but I have to apologize. It's not your mistake. It's mine. Okay, baby. And you didn't do anything wrong, sweetheart. Even if you knew you wanted to do your hair there, I don't give a fuck. You didn't do anything wrong. You didn't steal or rape anybody. You didn't get arrested for where you went and get your hair done, did you? You paid your money and you come back home. So you can do your hair wherever you want, sweetheart. Guys, partagez live là pour moi, s'il vous plaît. Share the live, guys. Partagez live là.